In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Valorant cannot log in 2026. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your server status. Go to status.riotgames.com and check if the servers are down. If it is, then you have no other option but to wait and try again later. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection, ensure you have a stable internet connection, and try restarting your modem or your router and use a wired connection for better stability. You can also try restarting your Riot Client or even running it as administrator. If it still doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and clear Riot Client cache by simply pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard and typing in %local appdata % and delete the Riot Games folder and restart your PC. Always make sure that your date and time setting is set to automatic and you're not using any VPN or proxy. If you are, then simply go ahead and disable it. You can also go ahead and allow your Riot Games through your firewall. And if none of it works, you have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall the client itself. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.